Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on a safe folder on your Motorola phone, and you can store pictures in here and lock it behind like a pin or a password. So all you want to do is swipe up from the bottom and type in files. So we can type in files right here and go to files. Now under collections you can see there's an option for safe folder right here. We can go to this and then we can go to pin or pattern, and I'm just going to make a pattern. So if this is your first time doing this, you should be able to just set it up really easily. And it says remember that now, and there we go. Now I can move files into here, move any files you want to keep protected by a lock to this folder. Uninstalling files by Google deletes files in safe. Okay. So we can move files now over here. So maybe I got something under like videos or something like that, I can move on over. So we can just hold down on here, go to this, and we can go to move to safe folder right here as an option. And once you move it on over, the file will be in there. So just go ahead and draw your password, and then you can lock it behind a password. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.